Hello, my friends. How are you today? Happy New Year. I hope really that 2020 will be a very good year for every one of us. I know that last year, which was 2019, I know it was hard for some of us, but I'm really trying to be optimistic and trying to see 2020 as a new beginning for some of us. So I hope it will be good. So in today's video, I will talk about in, on, at. In, on, at. I will talk about them in a different way. I want to discuss their relationship with time. Of course, in and on and at, you know that they are connected to place, okay? But in today's video, I will focus more on their relation with time, okay? First of all, on. When do we use on with time? On is used with days of the week, okay? Days of the week. On Sunday, on Monday, on Friday, okay? Also we use it with the word weekend, on the weekend, okay? Because weekend is considered day, okay? Saturday and Sunday, or in Arab countries it's Friday and Saturday. So anyway, weekend is considered days, so we use on with it. This is the first thing. I think that's the most or the common use of on with time. Now I'll move on to in. In, we use in with the years, okay? In 2020, in 2019, in 1998, okay? With the month, in August, in July, in October, in May, okay? So I can say my birthday is on the 23rd of May, okay? So it's in May on the 23rd. 23rd is the day, so I use on, and the month May I use in because it's a month. Also I use in with the seasons of the year. In winter, in summer, in fall or autumn, in spring, okay? Also I use in with the parts of the day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But take care, when I'm talking about night, I use at, okay? We will talk now about at night, at midnight, okay? So at is very, very, very common with the clock, okay? When I'm talking about the time, the clock, at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, okay? So at with the clock, and also with at night, okay? If you're talking about night. This is our very tiny and short lesson for today, but a lot of students confuse them up. So I think this is a simple way to know the difference between all of them. I explained the most common uses of them. Of course, there are other uses, but I focused on the common ones for beginners. This video is considered for beginners mainly. So I hope you like the video. Please give it thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit that bell of the notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.